How to make proxies to speed up workflow in Premiere Pro. Depending on what I'm editing, sometimes things can get a little bit slow or stuttery. 4K without any effects is generally okay, 1080 is fine, but I've started using 10-bit 422 and it's just too stuttery. So I'm finally using proxies. It's really simple, you just highlight the files you want to make proxies of, right-click, proxy, create proxies. These settings are up to you, this is fine, click OK. Once it's open, it will start working automatically, and once it's finished, your proxies will be ready. To make sure it's working, look for this symbol here, and to activate the proxy, click on this plus button, drag the toggle proxies icon down here, and then click on toggle proxies. Your files will now be much easier to work with. No more stuttering.